So today we're talking about this Larat 21-in-1 cleaner for AirPods, keyboards, any of your electronics that has any tiny crevices. First of all, it's a vacuum and it has two different speeds, a low speed, and it has a crevice tool so you can cut inside crevices with this vacuum tool. Oops. And it also has a higher speed so that you can pick up larger items with this tool. You could use it anywhere where you might need to vacuum. Also, this crevice tool comes off and you can use it to vacuum your desk, your dining room table, or anything like that. I really like this compact design. It does fit a ton of tools in this tiny space. And when we lift the top, this is kind of like a cleaning pad, so it has like soft microfiber feel to it, and you could use it to wipe down your desk or your keyboard and dust it off, or your Stream Deck if you have one. And so it has that tool, and then it has these two keyboard pullers in it, and then also a SIM card popper so that you could pop out your SIM card if you need to replace it. Not only that, but underneath the hood right here, we got a whole bunch of tools to help you clean out all of your electronics. You could use it for your camera as well as your AirPods. Let's go in and take a look at some of these tools. Look at how much they fit into this tiny, tiny space. So it has an air blower, and you could blow this. This helps blow the dust off your lens if you have a camera, or on your iPhone if you want to clean the lens on your iPhone, or just blow the dust off of anything that you might need. So that's a dust blower. This is a little spray, and you have some cleaning solution in here. I really like the compactness of this cleaning tool. It fits really nicely in my desk drawer. Okay, so the first thing is that this kit has this, which is kind of the handle for a lot of the cleaning tools in here. Whoops, oh geez. So this handle, you just pop it in, and it just gives you a little bit more leverage and leeway when you're trying to clean into your electronic devices. This is like a spoolie. You can use it for your AirPods to clean out the little base in there, like this. I won't show you all the tools because there's a lot of them. I mean, I won't use all the tools because there are a lot of them. And as you can see, there's a lot of different heads that you can use to attach to that handle. This is a little brush, so cute. And this is like another little brush. And this you could use to clean surfaces with. Like, this could also be used for like a lens. Wipe down that lens and clean off any dust and dirt. And then for larger, it's a spongy type of cleaner, so you can put it into like here and clean between and underneath the keyboards if you want, the keys. And then it has a cute little spray bottle that has gotten use, and another brush, and another brush. It has a lot of tools in a compact case, so I'll stuff this into my desk and just keep it there for easy access. I would definitely recommend this tool. I actually didn't know that I needed it. My keyboard has been getting gross, so I started looking around for a cleaner, and I found this, and I just really like all the options and the compact form factor of this cleaning kit. Would recommend.